So you're looking for the quickest checkmate in the game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in just 2 moves. Hey guys, it's a Chess Shark here, helping you improve your game fast. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe. So can you win a game of chess in just 2 moves? Absolutely. So the first thing you should know about the 2-move checkmate is that black does it on white. Another name for the 2-move checkmate is called the fool's mate. So don't be a fool and make these opening mistakes. Watch closely. So the first move white moves is the f2 pawn up to f4. And this is a move in the bird's opening, which can transition into the king's gambit. And both those openings are not common. They are quite aggressive, but they do have a weakness. And what do you think the weakness is? It's this, the dangerous diagonal. The king is now exposed. So black tries to take advantage of this position. So black moves the king's pawn up 1 square. Why? Why would they make that move? Well, the answer is Queenie. Queenie is watching, waiting, lurking, ready to pounce like a tiger on the king and attack the king. So the king is worried and says, I need protection. Who's going to protect me? And Natasha the knight puts her hand up and says, I will, Kingy. I'll protect you. I'll jump out and protect you. But little Jerry says, no, I'm going to go and protect you, Kingy. And he jumps out and steps forward 2 squares and proclaims how brave he is to the king. And the king's like, no, what have you done, Jerry? This is Jerry, the G pawn. And it's too late. Jerry's made his move. And now it is checkmate on the next move. Can you see it? It's the queen. Comes down to this h4 on the diagonal and says, checkmate. Game over. In 1 move, 2 moves. And had Jerry the G pawn listened and stayed in his place and let Natasha the knight come out to defend, it would not have been checkmate, because the knight could have just taken the queen. So that's the 2-move checkmate. Remember, never move these 2 pawns or it's game over very quickly. I've seen it happen many times. Question of the day. Do you know a sequence of moves you can do to trick your opponent into falling for the 2-move checkmate? If you'd like me to make a video on that, let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the like button, and I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Keep on improving your game, and I'll see you next time. If you're new to my channel, I'd love you to subscribe.